Hello, I try to make roast beef with this food. The main is American Angus beef and roast beef sauce, olive oil, soy sauce, black pepper, and table salt. Okay, let's make a soup. Please wait. Olive oil poured into a dish, and soy sauce. Okay. Black pepper. Sorry, I have to screw this, so please let me pause this movie. Okay, black pepper is inside the dish, and salt. Okay, making soup is completed. This is Ziploc bag, and inside soup and beef, apparently. And shaking. Okay, and let's leave this meat as it is for 10 minutes. 10 minutes after, I will start baking with Panasonic Bistro. This steam oven range. Please wait. Let's resume making roast beef. Water is already poured into this water tank for steam. Insert here. And prepare the dish. Okay, and let's wait. Okay, beef is already set inside the oven range. Close the door, and let's see the document. Right. Press cooking menu, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 8. Okay. Okay, let's start. And wait 10 minutes. Ooh, beef is roasted. Okay. Ooh. Inside my mini is water pot. I have to clean up later. According to the manual document, this meat must be moved on underneath and have to cover it for some minutes. Okay, let's wait again. Hello, roast beef is already cut, and it seems very delicious. I have to try it from now. The beef is on the dish, and I use roast beef sauce from now. Okay, let's try it. Very good. Oh, it's amazing that I can make such delicious roast beef by myself only. Amazing and very happy now. Thank you for seeing this movie. Bye bye.